Um, okay, so, this is I'm showing you how to code in Python, a simple game. So, this is Python Anywhere. You need to create an account and then you can go in. So when you start, as soon as you create an account, it will put you to the page, say sign up free, but it's Python Anywhere, um, pythonanywhere.com. Okay, so you don't click when you're in here to your dashboard. You won't have this because these are other projects. Click browse files, and then this Python's programming language. So I'm teaching you how to program, and you type here what you want to name it. I'll name it tutorial. New file. Wait, oops. I made a mistake. So what you need to do is you click tutorial, but then you have to type .py. That's very important because if you don't type .py, it will not be a Python file. It will just be a text document. And the recording thing's in the corner, like where you. Oh, never mind. Sorry, I haven't used this program in a little bit, but this is like this is the one that you don't have to download, so I'm using it now. So you can. I'll show you some basics. So this is So you type like whatever you want, variable, and then you can type in equals, and then 10. So that's how you create a variable. Yeah. So you can make quizzes by being like you also need to know if there are if statements, and you type if the ones you're gonna need to know is, let's say, if variable equals variable 2. This is just an example because we're going to be using stuff kind of like that. Then actually we wouldn't say if, it would be like if this equals like yeah or whatever, and then you type that. But that will make more sense soon. So let's say q1, that's a variable, equals variable store stuff, input, then you type some parentheses, and you can type single quotes or double quotes, it doesn't matter. And so let's say, what is your favorite color? So this is just an example, and at the end, I'm just gonna show you some very basic stuff, and at the end I'll show you like some cool stuff that I coded with this, like basic logic. So if q1 equals red, print. So print, basically that writes something. That is also my favorite. Oops, caps lock. Favorite color. Now this is just an example. It might not be your favorite color, whatever. But and then we can say elif. So elif, that's like basically making it part of the same if statement. That stands for else if. You type elif for that. q2 equals, I guess we'll only type one elif for this guy, but normally it would probably type more than one for all the colors. But print wrong color. Okay, so and then you have to click save. It saves. I guess we'll just make this a separate if statement instead, like. Oh wait, Q. That means that there's an error. Undefined name Q2. You have to change that to Q1. Sorry. Oops. So there's only one thing. So now it should be fine. And you click run this file. And it takes a minute. And then you can type red, enter, and if we, and now if we, yeah, so that's how I can't see it because of the recording thing, so I'm just going to type pythonanywhere.com again so I can get in because of there's a little thing in the corner blocking, so browse files. What? Where's the cyborg? I'm trying to. Oh, did I delete? Okay, I'll just show you. Like, if you want to take. Here it is. So, this is a little bit. This is a little bit more complicated. It has these import statements that import some complicated stuff. Like health. But save, and then we can. And then there's you went. Okay, I can't show you it. Sorry, it's like. Sorry, it's. I've always. This is. Whatever. But it's a cool game. And I guess I can. And if you click run, and then we drag up this console, and then click run. Sorry, this is not working out. That's not what I made a mistake. Sorry. But whatever. I want to show you. I'm just gonna show you in Cyborgs versus. I guess I could just show you what all the stuff. I could try to run it, but and okay, phew. So that happened. So I have to run this file thing, but basically, so import request it. This is actually more complicated than I remember, but this is basically saying so it can stop. This is saying random, so this allows you to do a random number generator. Oh, this is actually a pretty important thing. So random.random. This random.random. This is a pretty important concept that you should get. Random.random. You built, and then this is random.random 1, 10. This is basically saying this is a random number generator between 1 and 10. And this is saying these brackets and these curly braces around these parentheses around this is the variable, and this is saying print this variable basically. So I guess I should show you some more complicated stuff, how to do some of this more complicated. And okay, so that's sorry. So console limit reached. When it says that, that's kind of annoying. I'm just keep doing this because okay. So wait, back. You click back and consoles. So basically, what this is doing is deleting the consoles, and now if we go back to this guy, okay, we have to go to the, now we need, sorry, this is taking a really long time, but hopefully this is 10 minutes long. This this one's a little bit longer. I'm sorry, this is too long, but now if we click run this file, this will work. Sorry, this takes. And so, see, this is a complicated one. So if we type A, enter, wait, oh. Maybe we have to type, I'm sorry, I haven't coded this in a while, so I don't remember exactly what it is. Okay, this is not, oops, sorry, that was kind of, sorry, it might be outdated, because sometimes they update the programming language, so it might be outdated, because I did code that a little while ago, and I think they've released it, Python 3. I think that was in Python 3.7, this is Python 3.8, whatever. I'm going to show you some cool stuff, so, that was actually a pretty complicated one, but, this is definitely one of the longer ones, but, so, import time, I showed you this earlier, but I might as well show you this again, since it was in the middle of the code and I wasn't highlighting it. So, if you type random dot ran int comma 1 comma 10. This is a random number generated between 1 and 10, and then we have to type print. Oh, we need to create this into a variable. So number generate. Okay, perfect. And now I can just print. Okay, so Control C, Control V, Shift. Okay, save, and now we gotta run this file. Oh, like, that's the problem. Oh, okay, so I accidentally typed import time instead of, remember, this, you have to do import random. Sorry, it's pretty complicated, but you get the idea. I saved this, and now I have to open it, and this is getting very complicated, tutorial 2, and, oh man, that didn't work. Oh, okay. Whatever, this is a random number generator, and that's a concept you should do. I guess I might as well, I did the import time, so why not do import time to show you the basic thing. That's basically, that's like typing wait this amount of time. You'd type, for that, you type time dot sleep, and then you say, okay, that's the amount of seconds, so that's probably a bit long. What's probably more realistic for something that you would use in Python, you'd probably use like 0.2, just to make sure it doesn't, like, this is basically, we could get rid of all these zeros because of decimals and stuff, but, anyway, if you time that sleep, if you type that basically is for, like, you don't want it to buffer for too long, and yeah. So, like, it's basically to make it crash your computer. I can show you more stuff later, but okay, bye. Sorry, this is 15 minutes. I know it was probably supposed to be like under 10 minutes, but